In this video, we're going to quickly run through how to add a vehicle. We first go to Manage, Add Item Step 1, enter the VIN number, and click Look Up VIN. You'll see that it decodes most of the info for the vehicle. Some things highlighted in green, we have to make a decision. In this case, between SE and SE+. This vehicle is an SE+. Next is the color, in this case, deep cherry red, and the interior trim, black and light gray. Next, we put in the distance traveled and a stock number. And when you first click off, you'll see that it does a quick little lookup to make sure this stock number has not been used before. And then the selling price. Vehicle status, en route, meaning it's been purchased but isn't at your location yet. Incoming, meaning it's there and just needs to be made ready. Or available. If you set the vehicle to available, it's immediately available on your website and on Wheels Online, etc. So we're going to leave this one on incoming for now until we add photos and whatnot. On this page, you'll see everything highlighted in green are options and features that the VIN decoder knows are standard on the vehicle when it was sold. There are some that are highlighted in orange, meaning that it was an option at the time, and we can't tell from the VIN if it's actually on this vehicle. So you can just leave that alone if you want. Or if you know that it truly does have a feature, you can click yes. Go all the way to the bottom and then click done. So all that's left to do now is to add a photo, which we can do by clicking this icon and then clicking here, finding your photo on your computer, clicking open, and then upload. And there you have it. There's the picture of our vehicle. Now, you can also add extra photos to a vehicle. Now, these aren't going to be the actual photos for this vehicle, but just to give you an idea, you could walk around the vehicle and take pictures at different angles, and then just select the multi-photos you want, click open, click upload. And the uploader is pretty fast because it actually pre-processes all the photos down to a smaller size. And that should be it. And now you'll see there's a ribbon at the bottom with all the different photos of your vehicle. So that's the basics on how to add a vehicle. There are a couple more things that you may want to add at this point. Depending on the design of your website, the tagline will appear sometimes over the photo, sometimes off to the side, on your inventory list if someone brings up a list of inventory. And to add a tagline, you simply click here and then put something in like one owner must be seen, great family vehicle, and hit update. And as well, you can also add a vehicle description, which I've got one here I'm going to paste in. And you can also do a little bit of styling. So if you wanted to bold the name, for example, just can highlight it and click bold, for example, and click update. And there's a write-up for that. And the last bit is the universal comment. If you have something you want to say about all your vehicles, the universal comment is a place where if you have something you want to appear on every vehicle, you don't need to type it over and over and over again. So you would come to this space on any vehicle and you can then type in something like this week only free flat screen TV with every purchase, or whatever message you want to have appear everywhere. You don't have to type it therefore over and over and over again. And the vehicle description is just about the vehicle. This one is for any vehicles. And that's it. That's how you add a vehicle.